it's Alex with Be Organizing. I want to talk to you today about deduplication programs. So this comes up a lot when we're organizing, especially your digital photos. You know, it's like when you have your external hard drive has a bunch and then your computer has a bunch and they overlap, and so you're finding a lot of duplications. But what about those programs that exist out there that are meant to find those duplications and then delete them? Well, there's some good pros and cons to that. So some of the pros is that it saves a lot of time. It's really convenient and it's super easy to do, right? The cons are that it's based off of whatever that program decides to find the duplication based off of. So it could be, instead of looking at the image, it could be the file name. It could be the metadata, which don't worry about. But basically in the IT world, it's the data that is attached to a file that helps, it could be helping to find information about that file or whatnot. So anyways, it's based off of all these different things, not necessarily what's actually in the file. There are certain programs that actually look at, okay, this photo has this photo has that, oh, they're the exact same, great, okay, we found a duplication. But that's not necessarily always the case. So what do we do? Is it right for you? It could be. For us, for our clients, we do not rely on deduplication programs solely. We manually look at photos and duplicates, and we have a good system that works for that. So it's something that can be good, but there are risks to using a deduplication program, especially for your photos. So for example, let's say you have an edited version of a photo and then you have the original. Well, that might be they might see that as a duplication, the program might, and so it might delete that edited version or the original. Maybe you wanted both. So just something to keep in mind when you're researching that and when you're dabbling and deciding to use that for yourself. I hope that was helpful. Till next time.